Let's make our TextView logger more useful by persisting its state between activity teardowns using onSaveInstantState. OnSaveInstantState takes a bundle as its parameter. This bundle is a key value storage mechanism that we use to store the data we want to be saved. Now, it can't quite store any data. Bundles need to be passed between processes or serialized to a file, so they support a limited set of types. That being said, you can add complex types to a bundle by having them implement the parselable interface. The parselable effectively contains the instructions for how to output an object to a stream of data, and then recreate the object from that stream. We're just going to save off the string contents of the text view by key into the bundle. We begin by creating our key string as a constant. Then we override onSaveInstantState. First, we'll have it call its superclass. Then we'll also log and append this state. We'll get the text from our mLifeCycleDisplay text view, and we'll store it in our bundle. Finally, in onCreate, we check to see if the SaveInstantState bundle is null. And if it isn't, we get our lifecycle callbacks text by key, and then call setText on mLifeCycleDisplay with the saved text.